What if the reason your home never feels truly fresh has nothing to do with cleaning, and everything to do with what you're not growing? Most people rely on artificial air fresheners that mask odors for a few minutes and then disappear, leaving behind chemicals you probably don't want to breathe every day. But there's a better way. There are indoor plants that don't just cover smells. They actively improve the air, release natural fragrances, and create a living environment that feels cleaner, calmer, and healthier. Today I'm showing you 10 indoor plants that are better than air fresheners, ranked from naturally refreshing to completely transformative. These are the plants that don't just change how your home smells, they change how it feels. Number 1. Jasmine. Jasmine earns its place at number 1 because it delivers something no artificial air freshener can truly replicate, a natural, living fragrance that evolves throughout the day. The scent of jasmine is not just pleasant, it is powerful, often described as rich, sweet, and slightly intoxicating. Unlike synthetic fragrances that hit all at once and fade quickly, jasmine releases its scent gradually, becoming more noticeable in the evening when many varieties begin to bloom more actively. This creates a dynamic experience where the plant interacts with your environment, instead of simply sitting in it. Beyond its fragrance, jasmine has been studied for its calming effects. The scent is often associated with reduced stress levels, improved sleep quality, and a general sense of relaxation. This means it is not just making your space smell better, it is actively improving how you feel in that space. Placing a jasmine plant near a window where it can receive bright, indirect light allows it to thrive and produce more blooms, which directly increases its fragrance output. Compared to air fresheners that need constant replacement, jasmine is a long-term solution. With proper care, it continues to grow, bloom, and release fragrance season after season. It becomes part of your home rather than a temporary fix. For anyone looking to replace artificial scents with something real, jasmine is one of the most effective and rewarding plants you can bring indoors. Number 2. Gardenia. Gardenia is one of the most intensely fragrant indoor plants you can grow, and it stands out because of the richness and depth of its scent. The fragrance is often compared to high-end perfumes, with a creamy floral aroma that fills an entire room rather than staying confined to the plant itself. This makes gardenia a powerful natural alternative to artificial air fresheners that often struggle to create a lasting impression. What makes gardenia unique is not just the strength of its scent, but its ability to create a luxurious atmosphere. When the plant is in bloom, even a single flower can release enough fragrance to transform the feel of a space. It doesn't just remove odors or mask them, it replaces them with something far more pleasant and memorable. This is why gardenias have been used in perfumes and decorative arrangements for centuries. Growing gardenia indoors does require attention to detail. It prefers bright, indirect light, consistent moisture, and slightly acidic soil conditions. While this may seem demanding, the reward is a plant that delivers one of the most beautiful, natural fragrances available. Compared to constantly buying air fresheners, maintaining a gardenia becomes a more sustainable and satisfying way to keep your home smelling fresh. For those willing to meet its needs, gardenia offers a level of fragrance quality that artificial products simply cannot match, making it one of the most effective natural air-enhancing plants. Number 3. Peace lily. Peace lily stands out not because of a strong floral fragrance, but because of its ability to actively improve air quality while maintaining a clean, subtle freshness in your home. Unlike artificial air fresheners that only mask odors, peace lilies work by filtering certain airborne pollutants, helping to create a cleaner environment over time. This makes them one of the most practical choices for people who want a noticeable difference in how their space feels, rather than just how it smells. The plant's glossy green leaves and elegant white blooms contribute to a sense of calm and cleanliness. While the scent of peace lily flowers is light and not overpowering, the real benefit comes from the way the plant interacts with the air around it. It absorbs moisture, helps reduce certain indoor toxins, and creates a fresher atmosphere that feels more natural compared to chemical-based alternatives. Peace lilies are also relatively easy to care for, thriving in low to moderate light conditions and requiring only regular watering. This makes them accessible for beginners while still offering meaningful benefits. Their ability to signal when they need water by slightly drooping adds to their practicality, making care straightforward. Compared to air fresheners that provide temporary results, peace lilies offer a continuous living solution. They do not just improve scent, they improve the overall environment, making your home feel cleaner and more comfortable without relying on artificial products. Number 4. Spider plant. Spider plants are one of the most reliable and low-maintenance options for improving indoor air while adding a subtle freshness to your home. They are known for their ability to help remove certain airborne impurities, making them more than just decorative plants. While they do not produce a strong fragrance like Jasmine or Gardenia, their impact comes from how they continuously refresh the air around them. The long arching leaves and trailing plantlets give spider plants a dynamic visual presence, but their real value lies in their consistency. They work quietly in the background, contributing to a cleaner indoor environment without requiring much attention. This makes them ideal for people who want a natural alternative to air fresheners without the need for constant maintenance. Spider plants thrive in a variety of conditions, including indirect light and occasional neglect. This resilience makes them accessible for almost anyone, regardless of experience level. They also reproduce easily, producing small offshoots that can be propagated into new plants, allowing you to expand their benefits throughout your home. Compared to artificial air fresheners that need frequent replacement, spider plants offer a long-term solution that continues to improve your space over time. They may not deliver an immediate burst of scent, but they provide something more valuable, a steady improvement in air quality that contributes to a fresher, healthier environment. Number 5. Snake plant. Snake plant is one of the most efficient air-improving plants you can grow indoors, and its strength lies in how it works even when you are not paying attention to it. Unlike many plants that release oxygen primarily during the day, snake plants continue this process at night, making them especially valuable in bedrooms and enclosed spaces where air circulation is limited. While snake plants do not produce a noticeable fragrance, their ability to improve the air makes them more effective than many artificial air fresheners. Instead of masking odors, they help reduce the conditions that cause them. This creates a cleaner and more balanced environment that feels naturally fresh rather than artificially scented. One of the biggest advantages of snake plants is their durability. They tolerate low light, irregular watering, and a wide range of indoor conditions. This makes them one of the easiest plants to maintain while still providing meaningful benefits. Their upright architectural leaves also add a modern aesthetic to any space. Compared to temporary solutions like sprays or plugins, snake plants offer continuous improvement with minimal effort. They quietly enhance your environment day and night, making them one of the most practical and effective alternatives to traditional air fresheners. Number 6. Pothos. Pothos is one of the most adaptable and effective indoor plants for improving the overall freshness of a space, especially in areas where airflow is limited. While it does not produce a strong floral fragrance, its ability to continuously interact with the surrounding air makes it a powerful natural alternative to artificial air fresheners. Instead of covering odors temporarily, Pothos helps create a cleaner environment over time. What makes Pothos particularly valuable is its versatility. It can grow in a wide range of lighting conditions, from bright indirect light to low light corners where many other plants struggle. This means you can place it almost anywhere in your home, including areas that typically feel stale or enclosed. As it grows, its trailing vines expand, increasing its surface area and its overall effect on the space. Pothos is also extremely low maintenance, requiring only occasional watering and minimal care. This makes it an ideal choice for people who want the benefits of indoor plants without the responsibility of high-maintenance care routines. Its resilience allows it to continue improving your environment even when neglected. Compared to artificial air fresheners that require constant replacement, Pothos provides a continuous and self-sustaining solution. It grows, adapts, and becomes more effective over time. This combination of durability, flexibility, and consistent air improvement makes Pothos one of the most practical plants for creating a naturally fresh indoor space. Number 7. Lavender. Lavender brings something completely different to indoor spaces, a natural fragrance that is both refreshing and deeply calming at the same time. Its scent is instantly recognizable, clean, slightly sweet, and often associated with relaxation and stress relief. Unlike artificial air fresheners that can feel overwhelming or synthetic, lavender produces a soft, consistent aroma that enhances the environment without overpowering it. One of the most important benefits of lavender is its effect on mood and sleep. The scent has been widely associated with reducing anxiety and promoting better rest, which makes it especially valuable in bedrooms or quiet living areas. This means lavender is not just improving how your space smells, it is also influencing how you feel within that space. Growing lavender indoors requires good light, ideally a bright window where it can receive several hours of sunlight each day. It prefers well-draining soil and moderate watering, making it relatively simple to maintain once its basic needs are met. When healthy, the plant continues to release its fragrance naturally, especially when the leaves or flowers are lightly brushed or disturbed. Compared to artificial air fresheners, lavender offers a more balanced and beneficial experience. It does not just mask odors. It replaces them with a scent that supports relaxation and well-being. For anyone looking to create a calm, naturally fresh environment, lavender is one of the most effective plants you can choose. Number 8. English ivy. English ivy is one of the most effective plants for improving indoor air quality, particularly in spaces where dust and airborne particles tend to accumulate. Its dense, trailing growth pattern increases the amount of leaf surface interacting with the air, allowing it to contribute to a cleaner environment over time. While it does not produce a strong fragrance, its impact comes from how it continuously helps reduce the factors that cause unpleasant odors. One of the key advantages of English ivy is its ability to thrive in a variety of indoor conditions. It grows well in moderate light and can adapt to different environments, making it a flexible option for placement throughout the home. Whether in a hanging basket or trained along a support, it adds both visual interest and functional value. English ivy is particularly useful in areas that feel closed off or poorly ventilated. Its presence helps create a fresher atmosphere by interacting with the surrounding air on a consistent basis. This makes it a strong alternative to air fresheners that only provide temporary results. Maintenance is relatively straightforward, requiring regular watering and occasional trimming to control its growth. As it expands, its effectiveness increases, making it more beneficial over time. Compared to artificial solutions, English ivy offers a natural and ongoing way to improve the feel of your indoor environment without introducing synthetic chemicals into the air. Number 9. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is one of the most instantly refreshing plants you can bring indoors, known for its crisp, clean scent that feels both cooling and energizing. Unlike many artificial air fresheners that attempt to mimic freshness, eucalyptus delivers a natural aroma that is sharp, slightly minty, and unmistakably pure. Even a small plant can influence the feel of an entire room. What makes eucalyptus particularly effective is how its scent interacts with the senses. It creates a feeling of clarity and openness, making spaces feel less heavy or stagnant. This is why eucalyptus is often used in spas and wellness environments. It does not just improve smell, it changes the atmosphere in a noticeable way. Growing eucalyptus indoors requires bright light and careful watering, as the plant prefers well-drained soil and does not tolerate excessive moisture. While it may require slightly more attention than some other plants on this list, the payoff is a consistent and natural source of one of the most refreshing scents available. Compared to artificial air fresheners, eucalyptus provides a more authentic experience. It does not rely on chemicals or artificial fragrance compounds. Instead, it produces its scent naturally, creating a cleaner and more invigorating environment. For those who want a plant that delivers both visual appeal and a strong sensory impact, eucalyptus is an excellent choice. Number 10. Boston fern. Boston fern completes this list because of its ability to create a consistently fresh and humid environment, especially in indoor spaces that tend to feel dry or stale. While it does not produce a strong fragrance, its effect on air quality and moisture levels makes it one of the most refreshing plants you can grow indoors. The dense, feathery fronds of the Boston fern provide a large surface area that interacts with the surrounding air. This helps maintain a more balanced environment by adding moisture and contributing to a sense of freshness that artificial air fresheners cannot replicate. Instead of introducing scent, it improves the overall condition of the air itself. Boston ferns thrive in indirect light and require regular watering to maintain their lush appearance. They prefer slightly higher humidity levels, which makes them particularly effective in spaces that feel dry or uncomfortable. With proper care, they become full, vibrant plants that enhance both the look and feel of a room. Compared to temporary solutions like sprays or diffusers, Boston ferns provide a continuous and natural improvement. They do not mask odors, but instead create conditions where the air feels cleaner and more comfortable. This makes them one of the most reliable plants for maintaining a naturally fresh indoor environment over time. If this list changed how you think about freshening your home, then you're starting to see the difference between temporary solutions and living ones. Air fresheners fade, run out, and often replace one artificial scent with another. These plants do something completely different. They grow, adapt, and continue improving your environment every day without needing to be replaced. Whether you want a strong natural fragrance like jasmine or lavender, or a quieter but powerful air-improving plant like snake plant or Boston fern, the right choice can completely transform your space. Drop a comment below and tell me which one you're adding to your home first. And if you want more ideas on creating a healthier, more natural living space, make sure you subscribe, because there's a lot more coming.